Hello everyone, Neo Rashi here. It's this time of the week, and unlike last week, I'm not making this late. I did sleep some today, so I didn't oversleep and then making this on early Sunday. Um, I only got 6 books this week. Um, yeah, I'm really getting a lot less book lately. I think if some of my Amazon order don't get late again, there's a good chance that next week I'm only getting um, 4 books. If the if the Amazon order are getting late, uh, then it's likely gonna be 2 books. No, never mind. Actually, I ordered something at Indigo, so I should get at least 6 books. And if my Amazon order get don't get delayed, I'll get 8. But still, that it's been a couple weeks in a row now that I'm getting less than 10 books. I guess it's a good thing as far as money goes. But anyway, I got 5 books on Thursday and one yesterday. Most of them are in French, actually. Only 2 of them are in English. The other 4 are in French. So let's do the usual order. Sorry, I kind of have a slight sore throat, and one of the book I have is one of those with no English title, so I'm just gonna pick up the Japanese title right here. All right, so so of the 5 books I got yesterday, volume 6 of Hope You're Happy Lemon. I've read volume 1 and 2 of this, and it's not bad actually. I'm mostly got it for the art style at first, but I'm really starting to like this one. Next is Solo Camping for Two, volume 6, and next is the one that I don't know the well, I it doesn't have English title or even um, yeah. Well, this one it's Kokyuki no Kanrinrin Volume 5. Um, but I mentioned it a couple times already, but if I was to translate the French title instead, it would be Guardian of the Concubines. Maybe this is what they will name it if ever released in English. Next is Volume 7 of My Dear Friend Nokotan. And fun fact, I actually originally pre-ordered this on Amazon, but on release date, for some reason, they just never shipped it to me. And when I looked on Amazon, it says uh, out of stock. And then I randomly saw this on at my manga store, so I just canceled my pre-order, ordered something else, and then bought it on site. Next is a volume that I didn't even know was out, and not only I didn't know it was out, it was not even in the new release of my manga store, and it's volume 9 of the manga version of I'm in Love with a Villainess. And from what I can understand, if I'm judging by the back cover, is this is volume 9, and it's still only at volume 2 of the light novel. So it does seem that the manga is stretching out the story quite a bit. And the volume that I got yesterday is volume 9 of Sakura Saku, and I don't like the sticker they put here, but it is a special edition. It's not like anything really that amazing, but it is like a first print edition, which you can probably see it, but yeah, the cover is kind of shining a little bit. It's holographic, which I think is pretty cool. And by the way, this is the final volume from what I heard. I've only read volume 1, so it's gonna take a while before I read this one. Uh, before I give you the my new total, last the last 2 weeks, I made a mistake when I made my the total at the bottom of the screen. I realized 2 days ago that one of I didn't update my Excel file correctly, and this is usually how I give you the the right number, because I mean, at over 2,600 books, you cannot just count one, two, three like that. I have to make like some kind of database file to count them. So if you watch last week video, you will see that even though I got 6 books, my actual number has increased by 7. That's because, again, yesterday, well, 2 days ago actually, I made the correction. So the actual new total is 2,635 books, which means that in 3 months, I've gotten about 130 books, which is pretty cool, I guess. But it does, again, it does seems like my updates are going to be a bit smaller in the next few weeks. I checked on Amazon all the series that I'm following, and I mean, maybe I missed some, but so far from what I can understand, in the next 3 weeks, there's only like 7 or 8 series that I follow that are getting new books. So there's a good chance that unless I start reading something else, there's a good chance that my next few updates will be just as small as this one. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.